We're good.
Cool. How you doing, Thor?
Good. How you guys doing?
Dude?
So good.
So any problems with the reading or anything that we want to talk about?
Wow, it's going really slow though.
What's that?
Just my internet's really slow right now.
Okay. I know how that is. It seemed pretty straightforward though. The whole, like the preparation and the reading.
Yeah, it wasn't
Seemed
too
pretty
hard at all.
Yeah.
It seemed pretty easy. I mean, pretty doable.
Yeah, I say we just jump right into the quiz, honestly.
Let's see.
All right.
I am ready. I have mine open.
Crazy, it's week 6 already.
That's weird.
I know.
Where's the time going, huh?
No.
Mine's gonna be a little while till it's loaded up.
It's going to be what?
Mine's just taking a really long time to load up.
Oh, to load.
Yeah.
Ingrid, how's the weather in California right now?
It's freezing today.
That's what my mom told me. That's why I was wondering.
It's probably like 68 or something.
Oh, my.
64.
Oh no, my husband said it's 64.
Oh,
See, that's like, I'm
freezing.
surprised I don't have a coat on. You get used to it.
I walk to school just about every day, and it was 9 degrees with the wind chill this morning.
I would die. Just full on dead.
Wait, what was the wind chill this morning?
All right. Here we go.
Boy, this just jumps right into it. It's just like, do the problem.
Yeah.
I'm marking the error. So I was just solving for M.
Find the margin of error. So it's not solving for n, it's just.
Well, I meant like M as the margin of error. It's like
Oh,
M
M.
equals-
I thought you said n, sorry.
My bad.
Yeah.
I got 16.45.
You got what? I got 25.76. Let me see if I,
Yeah, I got 16.445.
You use
Yeah.
you use the 2.576?
No, it's the 1.645, right?
No, not for 90%.
I also got the same for as
Is it 90? Is it 90%?
the 1 point.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. I looked at it wrong. I'm sorry. Thank you. I don't know why. I always see the 90 and I always think it's the bigger number in my head. I know better, but every time I go for that one. I refuse to conform.
The brain plays tricks with us sometimes.
I did that yesterday too. I don't know why I have this mental block.
Yeah, especially with my handwriting.
Yeah. So 16.416.45. I'm gonna have to like put a big asterisk on there for me. Do not go forget. I don't know. It's like I always see the lower number, and I think it should be the larger spread. And I don't know why I think that.
The next one is once we get to 4, I believe it's the sample mean estimator of the mean.
So you got the second one. Excuse me.
Yeah, the second one.
That's what I put.
Because the point estimator is like, I read it right. It's the statistic for the parameter.
You guys get that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you did the X bar is the point estimator of the mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on number 5, do we subtract it and add it?
Is you what? Do you what?
For number 5, for the answer, do we put both when we subtract it and when we add it? He wants us to write that out.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Well, that's why. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? Well, what is the?
I'm pretty sure because the standard of deviation is known, so we could solve for that. I don't know how we would write it out.
Well, or is it asking you? I don't know how you do the plus or minus thing. What is does true mean? Is that a key that it says true? Like, does that make it positive or something weird like that? You know what I mean?
True mean. Oh. Yeah, I think we have to do the minus and the plus. So I'm looking at the reading. the sample problems, and it says,
Yeah, but how do you write that?
Uh,
Or are we supposed to just put the answers like in the, how with the parenthesis and the number and the comma and the number, like that? Just put the answers?
yeah, or maybe just like the number and comma number. I don't know.
That's what I mean. Yeah. Because
a
that's how
good question.
the part 2 was, right?
yeah.
Mhm.
It was, let's see what it said. Compute, well, that's called the confidence interval.
But then that's
What is
when
the
it,
point estimate? So is the point estimate just the X? So it's just 526?
oh, could be actually.
Because
Oh,
up here we said that X was the point estimator of the mean. We're not talking about the confidence interval. We're just talking about the mean. So does
okay.
that mean that X bar is just 526?
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, actually, it does.
Yeah, I think that's right. Because then I asked below the margin of error. That'd be kind of out of order.
So then, that's our, because yeah, what is the margin of error?
It's the 27.685. That's what I got.
Wait for margin error. Oh, man, I accidentally exited out of the applet. That's annoying.
You were using the applet? What did you get, Houston?
The margin of error,
Yeah.
27.685.
Okay, good. That's what I got.
Didn't you need the applet? Like, how do you solve for the margin of error? That was.
You can either memorize it or you can use the applet.
Oh yeah, because for the 95. That's right.
They're just on our preparation sheet. It had us figure them all out.
That's right. I have it in my notes. Didn't think about that. What is it? Oh yeah.
What did you guys say for number 5?
526. Just the sample mean.
So when you do when you figure out your number, do you go back and do the whole thing, or do you just do the plus or minus whatever your answer was?
You just do plus or minus of the margin of error.
I just didn't know if it caused it to round differently. I guess not.
So when it's asking for the lower limit, that's the minus one, right?
Yeah.
And then to check my answer for number 6, you guys got 27.69.
0.685.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, you rounded. Did it say? I thought we were supposed to go 3.
Probably.
Yeah, the 3.
Okay. 685.
Yeah, because the next two want 3 decimal places anyway, so you'll want them.
Okay.
Okay, something is really wrong with my calculator.
Isn't that always great?
Okay, every time I type in 526 minus 27.685, the answer comes up 498. Oh, that would be right. I kept seeing this huge number and it kept throwing me. Oh my gosh, my brain is so
Oh,
messed
that's right.
Yep, 498.315.
I don't know why that. I guess I was looking at the 27. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm like really messed up today.
Still working on number 7.
So you guys get 8 as well.
Okay, for what?
Did you get number 8 too?
I got
Yeah.
553.685.
Okay.
That's what I got too. And then for number 7 was 498.315.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for number 9 would be decrease, right?
That's what I put.
And then 10 increase.
Oh, she increased the sample size. It would decrease, right, for number 9. That's what you said?
Yeah, for number
Yeah,
9.
decrease for number 9.
So if you have,
So the number 10 would be increase. I almost said decrease, but get the higher confidence level, the bigger the number.
yeah, that's what I have. But I
Yeah.
guess you have to go with, it's really because it's the smaller, the higher, the higher.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny, I think, because the higher the confidence interval, it's actually
Bigger.
a smaller number. You know what I mean? It's like less of a chance. So it's kind of weird to, I don't know.
It's like it increases, but it's smaller.
Yeah.
Number 11 seems tricky.
That would be
So that one like has to be like reversed. You have to do that.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
so it's n equals z times Standard deviation divided by M is margin. Yeah, so the Z 95% is 1.
Okay, so that would be 95%. Is the good man.
So I got the samples, or what is it? Sample size. I got 16. Is that right?
Trying to figure out how to set this up right.
So it's
No, it should be
it's
n would
N.
equal the Z times the standard deviation divided by M, and then all of that squared.
Yeah,
Oh, is it squared?
yeah, it's
Yeah,
squared.
so I have 246.
Is it squared?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, because
squared.
I thought you didn't. I thought it's already squared because that's why N is not the square root. No?
Well, n is a square root in the equation, and so then we have to square the rest of it to get
Oh,
rid
you're
of that
right.
square root.
Yeah.
You're right. So then,
Oh, there
yeah.
it is.
So then, square.
So you have
So then you have
1.96
246.
times 400 divided by 50, and then square.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I
and
got,
then
so
you
then
have to
that's
round up.
246. Is
Yeah.
that what you got?
Yes,
Okay.
that's what I got. I forgot that you have to always round up for those round problems.
What'd you guys end up getting?
246.
Okay. I wasn't using the right equation.
Oh, now we have review.
Oh, great.
No, I've already blocked that part out. I've moved on.
Yeah,
Oh, now they've combined it. That's what they've done. How dare them?
man, critical thinking.
I'm not an on the spot critical thinker.
It takes a while for my brain to get going.
Okay, so the level of significance would be 1 minus A, so then it's 95%, right? That's a 95% confidence level. So that'd be 1.96.
Yep.
So then, what is it asking us? Oh, the
Just
lower
asking,
limit.
yeah.
So you got to find the margin of error. Nothing like picking an easy standard of deviation.
They're really big. Standard deviation.
Where's the,
Yeah, that is
wait a minute. Is it, Does it tell us the, oh, there's a sample. Let's see it.
So I think I have both this one and the next one done. If they're done right.
What'd you get for 12, Thor?
99002.
That's what I got too.
Cool.
It's not really a review, it's just like,
Yeah.
Just trying to trick
Just
us.
comparing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
122999.
I did 998 because it's 0.4, so round down.
Don't you always round up?
On the sample sizes, you round up.
You just said round to the nearest, and so I figured rounding down.
Okay.
Because like, and the one that
It's
they
only
gave us questions ago, said, for example, round 101.2. Oh, that one did round up.
You only do sample sizes up.
All right. Oh yeah. So since this is a number,
Yeah.
I guess I don't know.
Yeah, you're
So
right.
What did you guys get for 12 and 13?
What did you get for 12? I mean, 11, yeah, 12.
99002.
Okay. That's what I got.
Wait, 99002?
Yeah, because you got to round up. Well, because it's a 5. Or
Got
because
it.
mine's a 5.
And then 122998 is what I got for the other one.
Okay. Sweet. I'm doing something right.
And you got what? I got 1199. Wait a minute. Is that right? No. What did you get? 122,998?
Yep.
Yeah.
What did you guys get for the last one? 14.
All of the above.
You bet.
That's what I got. Okay.
Yeah, that's a trick question.
That is.
It's right in the question.
Yeah, that's right.
It asks for 3 requirements. We can only pick
'Cause it's-
one.
You know, and yeah. Oh, that's pretty funny. I didn't even notice that. I was just going to say they put that in the part 1 and part 2, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it to submit it?
Probably mine.
You got it.
I'm
You got
submitting it right now.
Okay, hang on. Oh, crap.
I already got mine going if you want.
Oh, okay. I just needed to make my screen wider to make sure I had saved them all.
We're good.
Yeah.
100%.
Wow.
It's a good section.
I'm shocked because there was a lot of guessing going on during this one.
Damn.
God bless.
Okay, so now we know the point estimator for the true GMA or the true score. It's just like a mean. It's like a trick question.
Yeah, it's just a mean. Okay.
So,
I'll have to remember that too.
you know.
So I'm gonna be driving to St. George on Thursday. So I'm gonna try to make it there on time, or I'll try to like go to just a spot for internet on time. but if I don't make it, I will let you guys know.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. And I'm pretty flexible. I can push it off a little bit if needed. I don't know about everybody else's schedules, but I can if that's needed too.
Yeah, that might be helpful. I'll let you guys know. It just depends how early we leave. We're planning on leaving early in the
Okay.
morning, so it would work.
And I'm
Alright.
going on vacation next week, but I'll be around. I'll do it from a hotel or whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Let's talk on Thursday and see where everyone's at. I'll tell you guys.
okay.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, guys.
Thank you. We'll
Take
see you
care.
later.
Okay,
All
bye.
right.
Bye.
Bye.